Hello students, let us start a new topic in the set that is called the Venn diagram, a very important topic for clearing the set. Set can be represented on the with the help of the Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram? Venn diagram contains some rectangular boxes and some circle inside it. Maybe possible that there is one circle, two circle or three circle. Maximum in our books we have seen now three circles, but it does not that fix three circles. It can be more as well. So what does this circle represent and what does the rectangle represent? Let us see here. If I write a set, let us say A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then I can represent this set here. So this is basically the universal set. It is depicted by this sign, universal U, which contain the full world. And A contain 1, 2 and 3. So this is the set. Now if we have two circle, it means definitely you have two sets. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here you can see that 3 is common. That's why I write 3 only once here, because a combination of the two set will also be the set, so nothing should be repeated. And they have this as a intersection. Basically this portion is the A intersection B. A intersection B, okay? And the combination, basically this full from here to here is the A union B. So A union B contain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. Now come back here again. If A is this set, then what does this set represent? This set, basically the portion here, this shaded portion here, this portion, this will be represented as A complement. A complement. It means the reverse of the A. Everything except A. Everything except A. Or I can represent it as A complement as universal minus K A. Like this as well. We will understand through this example as well. So if universal set contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A contain 2, 3, B contain 3, 4 and 5 and universal contain all these things 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A complement. They are saying A complement. A complement means leaving the A. So very careful here, because A will be this and this is A and this is B. So what does A complement contain? If I depict here, A complement will be everything leaving A. Everything leaving A. It means from the universal set. If we subtract 2, 3, so A complement will contain 1, 4, 5 and 6 like this. You got this one? So next one. What does B complement? Now pause the video and try to find out what does B complement. B complement contains 1, 2 and 6. 1, 2 and 6. What does A complement intersection B complement contain? So A complement is 1, 4, 5, 6 and B complement is 1, 2, 6. So both have common the things 1 and 6. The answer of this one will be 1 and 6. What is A union B? Basically the combination of both these things. It will be 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that A union B ka complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So in this we will first of all take LHS side. A union B. A union B means 2, 3, 4, 5. And what does A union B का complement? Okay. And A union B का complement will be everything except 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 6 and remaining. This is our LHS. Now come to RHS side. A complement contain 1, 4, 5, 6. And B complement contain B complement 1, 2, 6. Now if we take the intersection of both these two, like A complement intersection B complement, they will contain 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Understood? I think you have understood the concept, and you can try some question at your home. So I'm giving you something as homework. So this will be your homework. Take a screenshot and wait a minute. Here. Try to do this at your homework. And one more thing I want to tell you, because the question number 5 contained that thing. If you have a set, let us say 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Here universal set contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because universal is full, everything, है ना, everything. And A contain 3, 4 and 5. So what does A complement contain? A complement contain 1 and 2. It is also possible that they can give you the complement of complement. That is, complement of complement will be the same set again. That is 3, 4 and 5. Understood? If not done or finding any difficulty, then you can ask me. Let us move in the next lecture.